All right, guys, you already know what it is. Make sure you guys like, hit the subscribe, turn on your notifications. Today, we got a 2006 GMC Sierra with a 4.8 liter V8 in it, all right? Customer came by, and he was a big fan of Borla already, so we agreed on putting a Borla S type muffler in there and building him a custom system, all right? So that's exactly what we did. Put the Borla S type muffler in there. Now, a universal Borla muffler comes in a single inlet and a single outlet, so we had to modify it to make it a dual exit, and we put a Y pipe to do that. So we put a high flow Y pipe, 2.5, and then we ran 2 1/4 tails all the way out the back, custom tailpipes built by one of the fabricators here. And then we put some nice black angled tips on there to give it that classic truck look, and it's a V8, so it should sound pretty legit. Let's bring it down and fire it up.